CB curriculum is still evolving, but is Edupoa flexible enough to ensure that in case of any change from the curriculum, it cannot be able to affect the whole system? So in this video, I'm going to be using an example for the grading scale. So recently, NEC introduced a new grading scale for the grade 9 placement, even though it has been introduced for only KJSEA. But if it was to be introduced in school-based assessment, will Edupoa handle this? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how Edupoa handles the achievement level, the grading scale. So currently I'm in the subject teacher workspace. So as you can see, we have the end term assessments. So remember, this is a summative assessment. So let me just try to assess the mathematics. So the first thing, we are being prompted to select the outcomes. So remember, this is a summative assessment. So it is very important to ensure that if we select the outcomes or the substance in which the exam has been set on. So this will be very important later for decision making and also generating the report. So ignore other things for now. I'm going to be explaining it later. So let me just select the first substrand. So as you can see here, we have the outcomes. So for example, if you as the subject teacher has set the summative assessment based on this outcome, so you just need to select all or maybe some of them. So let me just apply it. So ignore this for now. So right now we have the place to submit the assessment. So notice right now, if for example I type a number maybe below 20, for example 15, you can be able to see that we have the below expectation 1, right? So if I click the place for the options, currently we have around 5 achievement levels. So I think I had modified this one. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add another achievement level. So for example, let me just add a new one. So I'm going to call it, for example, below expectation 2. So let me just update the order. So this will be the first one. Then for the minimum, I'm going to use this one 0. Let me use 10 for this. Let me just update. So notice right now, if I type a value less than 10, for example 4, you can also see that we have our new achievement level. It has been added automatically. So this is how Edupoa can be able to handle the flexibility. In case of any change in terms of the grading scale, Edupoa is ready for this. Thank you.